Hi everyone, Dom here from Panasonic Europe, and in this quick video I'm going to talk through a few of the key features of our Panasonic RZ-B310 true wireless headphones, which I have here. So these are really popular headphones, and amongst our customers a lot of people are interested to know what are the key features when they're looking to buy true wireless headphones. So we're going to run through just a couple of those in this video. So first of all, the RZ-B310s do come with hybrid noise cancelling and ambient sound modes as well, so that's really great for blocking out any sounds going on around you. We do have a separate video talking through how you can use the noise cancelling function on these headphones, so check that out if you're interested for more information. The other great thing about these headphones is the controls are covered by both earpieces and they're all touch sensitive. So you can switch seamlessly between taking a call and listening to music on your headphones. It's a really useful feature. Next up, battery life. With these you get outside of the cradle about 5 hours of playback time. Inside the cradle you get 11 hours wireless charge as well, so totaling that 16 hours of playback potential with these headphones. So it's really great for people on the go. And during the whole day you can use them knowing that they're not going to run out of battery. Last of all, these headphones are compatible with voice assistants. They're compatible with Google and Siri as well, so if you don't want to use those touch sensitive controls, you can activate voice assistant and just do everything with your voice. Really easy, especially if your hands are full. So that's it. That's just a few of the key features of the RZ-B310s. For more information, please do check out our online stores. All the links are in the description below. You can find the right Panasonic headphones for you. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.